Hello guys and welcome to my channel. This video will be somewhat different than my other videos because I decided, under influence of other artists, I decided to do a 10 minute painting also. And well, I guess I would be painting this painting. This is the reference photo, not really visible. I will place it right here. This is the reference photo here. So I will try my best to manage to paint within the 10 minutes. So right now I'm just preparing everything. I pre-wetted my paints and well, I thought why not? In this winter series I'm doing, well, I guess why not? I just have to pick up and prepare myself all the paint that I will be using, and I will be using some black. I will also be using this blue and some brown color, but I just need to pick up a lot of it, almost gone with black. And a lot of you have been asking me about my watercolors, what brand are those, what I'm using. Well, those are the watercolors I made myself, and I did promise, and I will do it, a video and show you how I make those watercolors, but also I am planning to make them also available in my store one day when I manage to make them. Or maybe I'll place somewhere, I don't know where to place it, maybe here, the reference photo, so you can actually follow it. And okay, I will now press, oh, my phone just went. So I will press start, but I will not talk during the painting, so I'll put some music and well, you can watch me paint. I guess I will, just one more thing before I start. I will just add a little circle here, just for my son, and that is all. I will just also make it a little bit lighter, but just to know where I'm gonna place that little one. So fingers crossed. No, not like that, like that. Fingers crossed. So I make it. So at this point, I'm just thinking to myself, oh my God, are you gonna stop fuss with that sky? You have to move on, you know, there is just so many things to do. But I just keep going back to the sky. I have to add this, I have to add that. And wow, time is flying away, flying away. I'm not really cheating here. I'm just using my hair dryer, and I don't think that the drying time should go into this 10 minutes. So I think that's fine. So I've just stopped the clock until I was drying. So now moving on. I'm really so much rushing here to paint those clouds, and they just won't stick, you know? When they're drying, they're like disappearing from my sky. What is going on? Where are those clouds? Where are they disappearing? By the way, this was not deliberate. I'm not trying to hide my clock. I'm not really trying to do that. You know, at this point, I think I was really starting to sweat. I was really starting to sweat, and I was looking at that clock, and there's just 3 minutes left, and I haven't even started with my trees, with my bushes. My God, I was thinking to myself, you are not gonna do that. You're never gonna make it. Never. Can you see me picking up that paint and pushing it on my paper like a crazy person? I'm really at this point thinking to myself, oh my God, 30 seconds. Wow, tap in, just add those trees. Whatever you do, just add those trees, add that horizon line. Just go ahead, do it. Just add something on that painting. It looks completely empty. What have you been doing last 10 minutes? Oh my God. Again, not really cheating here, because you know that time back when I was pre-wetting and when I was mixing my paints while the clock is going. So not really cheating here, not really. So this is 10 minutes gone. Well, time flies fast. I can't say I'm really too satisfied with how it turned out. I would probably do a lot more details, but I guess for 10 minutes painting, well, not that bad. I would add probably some details to the snow and maybe some more details to the clouds, to the sky. But I guess after all, I said it's not really that bad. I had a limited palette also of colors. I was using only those my colors, not really too much yellows and all that. So maybe it did not really turned out so colorful as the reference photo, but I do like it. I actually do like it, and all the things that are on reference photo are also here. We have the sun, we have the clouds, we have the something like trees here, snow. So I guess after all, I'm quite satisfied. Not bad at all for 10 minutes painting. So maybe I'll touch upon some more details later on, but I guess not so bad. Maybe you could give it a try also. Give yourself 10 minutes to do a painting, maybe a little bit smaller size, because in a smaller size it would probably be easier. You know, you don't have to do this, you just do smaller strokes, but then again, well, there would be no fun in that. So I guess, guys, thank you so much for joining me in this, well, I guess adventure, 10 minutes adventure. And well, just if you do like this video, please hit the like button, share it, comment, and as always, well, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, maybe join my channel, press that join instead of subscribe, and listen to the offer, decide. So I guess that is it for now. Well, I'm not sure if I would be repeating this anytime sooner, but it is stressful actually. But, you know, on the other hand, why not? Just limit yourself and give yourself a little bit less time to fuss a little bit less. I was maybe fussing too much about the sky, so I didn't manage to do a lot more details, but for the first time, 10 minutes painting, I'm just satisfied. It's fine. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!